Hey, John Kleis Car Audio back again. This time we are with Toyota Land Cruiser, extremely well built car. Doesn't matter how old these are because these go on for a lifetime, but unfortunately the infotainment system does not, which is why it's here today. It's come back in for a KENWOOD solution product, which I'm going to show you now. If we want to go inside, show you what we've done. Had to put the key in the door for this one. No remote locking. Right, there you go. This has had nothing but the DMX KENWOOD 8020. There you go, look at that. It's got the 7-inch screen, capacitive display, so it's super responsive to use to the touch. Let's get rid of that. Turn the volume down so you can hear me. So this one, we've matched the illumination of the lights on the dash. So if I turn them on, Toyota is green to match the background of the KENWOOD. Looks real tidy in this car, to be fair. This has got Apple CarPlay, wireless connectivity, so no need to plug your phone in. But if the customer does want to plug their phone in, they have two USBs here to charge their, well, two devices. You've got Apple Android Auto built in. I say built in, it streams it from the phone, and that's also wireless. So you don't need to plug your phone in for Android either. You've got wireless screen mirroring from an Android, so you could mirror your Android phone on here. Other expanding options like HDMI in, so you can plug an Amazon Fire Stick into this and watch Netflix on when you're obviously safe and parked with the handbrake on, I should say. You've also got other options like AV inputs for like a front camera and so on and so forth. You can put a reverse camera on this. This car hasn't got this at the moment, but obviously they've got the option to do it. But yeah, very simple, straightforward install in this 2006 Toyota Land Cruiser. If you like what you see, you know what to do. My name's John Kleis Car. My name's Connor from John Kleis Car Audio. And yeah, speak to you soon. Ta-ta.